What's up, YouTube? So in this video, we're going to be doing a full deep dive on SUNO.AI. It's one of the most powerful and accessible AI music generators available right now. So let's begin. What is SUNO.AI? So SUNO.AI is a text-to-music AI tool. You type in a prompt and Suno generates a complete song with vocals, instruments, verses, choruses, and bridges, you name it. So it uses advanced models trained on a massive data set of musical styles, vocal performances, and production patterns. What makes it special is how it generates coherent songs, not just loops or phrases. So it's the easiest way right now to create original music with zero production skills. So to begin with, you want to sign in to Suno AI. So just simply click on the sign in right here. You can sign in with your Apple ID, your Discord account, Facebook, Google, and Windows, or even your phone number. So for me, Google works best. So I'm going to sign in with Google right here. All right. So this is going to be your dashboard. So the first thing that you need to notice is the create tab. So this is where you create your songs. Next is you have your library, you have explore to check other people's works. You could also do with search. Now, what is the simple and custom mode? So in the basic mode or in the simple mode, you just describe your vibe. Let me type this in. Moody R&B beat, female vocals, and a West Coast vibe. So after you do that, you simply hit create and then it generates a song for you. So let me just play this song for you. Okay, so as you can see, I already have a song with just a very short prompt, right? Okay, so let's move on to custom mode. So in custom mode, you have more options and tools available for you. So you could use your own audio. You could add a persona. If you have the premium subscription in audio, you can upload your own audio, maybe your own voice or the sound of the instrument that you play, and then Suno builds on that. Now you could use also your own lyrics and you can enter your own style. This advanced options is not available for the free plan, and then you could use a song title here. So how do you write better prompts? Actually, you could write better prompts manually, but I have a better option to do it. So you go to ChatGPT and then you tell ChatGPT to help you write a song. So help me write a detailed prompt to input into Suno AI to generate music about love and world peace. I want, let's just say let's just use this to make everything easy. So let's see. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT suggests a lot. So let's use the custom mode for this one. All right. So a heartfelt and uplifting song, all right? The genre should be something like this. Let's try to do it in here. Oh, okay, we cannot use the artists. So let's see. Let's ask GPT for lyrics. Can you give me the full lyrics for this so that we can utilize the custom mode properly. All right? Then we're going to be using also the title. We're gonna be inserting the title in here so that Suno AI also knows that what we're talking about. Right? Let's create another one. My credits are running out, but this is how you use the custom mode. It's more for me. It has a lot of tools, but it needs more input. So if you're in a hurry or like you don't really feel like doing all of this, you can just go to the simple mode. So let's see.
Seen the silence fall between the lines.
See, so it sounds really good. Now, I want to tell you that Suno AI also has an editor and some audio tools that are not available in the free mode. So if you have a premium subscription, you would have access to even more tools, and you can even tweak your song further to make it more personalized. All right. And as you can see, you can also get the stems from each track, which is very useful, especially if you're remixing or doing mashups. And the common issues that you face when you are using Suno AI is like, say, for example, if your prompt gives weird results, simplify your wording. If the voice type is off, you might want to add male or female vocals to the prompt. If Suno is kind of slow, you want to check your queue because paid plans render faster. And use version labels like V1, V2, etc. to track your best outputs. And yes, you can remix past songs directly in your history tab. So that's the full tour of Suno AI, from zero to polished tracks in minutes. Whether you're writing songs, making content, or just experimenting with sound, this tool gives you pro level results fast. So if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell so that you are updated with our daily uploads. This is Josh. I'm going to see you on the next one.